Hi, I'm Nate Baglios. I'm the Director of Marketing for Cali Audio, and I'm here today to introduce the brand new WS-12 V2. The WS-12 has always been Cali's premier subwoofer. With 1,000 watts of power, it's capable of a max SPL of 123 dB and can play down to a lower frequency response of 23 Hz in anechoic space. It has long been and remains the most powerful subwoofer you can get for under $1,000. So what's changed? The biggest change is to the electronics in the amplifier, and there's two main things to look at. First, pass-through noise on the outputs has been reduced drastically. This means that when you run an output from the subwoofer to a full-range speaker, you won't get any hiss or hum. Second, we've reconfigured the customization options for the dip switches based on user feedback. There are now selectable crossovers every 5 Hz from 50 Hz to 110 Hz. For Cali speakers, and for most common studio monitors, turn dip switches 2 and 3 up to activate 80 Hz mode. To use the subwoofer this way, just plug your stereo source into the subwoofer's inputs, and then send the output out to your full-range speakers via XLR. There's also an LFE, or low-frequency effects mode, for when you're using the subwoofer as a 0.1 channel in multi-channel setups like 5.1 or Dolby Atmos. You can use the external mode for when you're using another piece of gear in your signal chain to control the crossover to the subwoofer. You can change the input sensitivity on the WS-12 V2 as well. Use the plus 14 dB setting for live music consoles, and use the plus 20 dB setting for studio equipment. This will allow you to drive a hotter signal into the WS-12 V2 without clipping, further improving signal-to-noise ratio on the outputs. Physically, the WS-12 V2 adds a threaded M20 pole socket, which allows you to mount a full-range speaker above the subwoofer. The WS-12 is a monster in terms of performance. As I've said, it's capable of 123 dB max SPL and has a lower frequency response of 23 Hz. This means that the WS-12 is capable of providing Dolby-compliant LFE and bass management at the same time for any system of up to 5 of Cali's most powerful full-range speakers or any similarly powerful near to midfield studio monitors. For Atmos and other immersive systems, 2 WS-12 should be sufficient for most rooms. Because of its immense power, the WS-12 is a great choice as a utility subwoofer that might have to do some live sound duty in addition to its work in the studio. The WS-12 can keep up with stereo systems of many small PAs, including common all-in-one PAs like the Yamaha Stage Pass or the Electro Voice Evolve. It's designed to be robust and easy to transport. The large steel handles make carrying the subwoofer a breeze, especially with a team of 2. It fits easily into most passenger vehicles, and the textured, road-ready finish helps protect the subwoofer from dings and scratches. The WS-12 V2 is a great choice for clean, powerful, accurate bass in any studio environment, and it's powerful enough to even be used on stage should the need arise. If you're looking for a smaller subwoofer, check out our other sub, the WS-6.2. The WS-6.2 fits easily under a desk, and it's powerful enough to provide low-end for any near-field studio setup. For more information, go to caliaudio.com/watts. Thanks so much for watching.